Today, in gyms, there is a common myth if you observe, that is, don't stand and drink water. And if you ask them why, they will come up with stupid explanations that it is written in Ayurveda or it will damage your joints or nerves or any other body part. And many big YouTubers and doctors do promote such myth that when you stand and drink water, the minerals from water are not properly absorbed by the body. Oh, I don't know. What minerals are you talking about, sir? These people are no one, just normal people who have neither researched nor studied and claim to be fitness experts or nutritionists without any degree, certification or knowledge. Some says when we stand and drink water, it goes in a straight gush and does not reaches the organs where it is supposed to be, and hence impurities gets collected in your kidneys. There is a process in our body for food and water absorption which is being followed in every position. So please stop believing such myths. And many people will say that it affects your joints, and when you question them about the logic, they will come up with complete nonsense theories, or they will simply say according to Ayurveda, because they know that people will not put enough efforts to confirm it in the Ayurveda. So please, there is nothing written in Ayurveda like you cannot drink water while standing, it damages your joints or muscles or any other thing. And if you are like, we consume our meal while sitting, so we should consume water while sitting too. But please, that's not a reason to imply, because none of the theories, including this, is backed up by science. There is no evidence, no scientific study to prove any of these theories to be applicable. That's all for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos coming up, and you're free to follow me on Instagram for more updates. Thank you and see you next time.